guys, I'm on a brand new account and I'm gonna play Blox Fruit. So yeah, I haven't played this game for a while now. I created a new account. So yeah, let's go. Wait, the volume. Let's go, guys. I think this is good for you guys, right? Okay, let's try to defeat. Yeah, he fell down. He pushed in the wall. Go. Go. Maybe this. I think this is good, guys. The sound is too loud. I don't know. There we go. Let's go upgrade our melee. Because we don't have fruit yet. That's why I'm gonna upgrade my melee first. Okay. So I managed to reach level 2 now. Once we get a fruit, I hope we get a Logia fruit. Oh. Yeah, so I'll upgrade my defense. So yeah, I'll probably don't need a fruit. Maybe I'll go be a sword main in this account. So yeah, I'm on a brand new account. Bro, I missed. I don't need a fruit. I'll probably be a sword main. I'll probably be a sword main in today's video. Let me go upgrade the sword. And I'm gonna go buy a sword later. So let's go buy a sword. How much is a sword? How much is a sword? Katana. It's 1,000. So ayan mga katana na. Yeah, I'll go be a sword main, like I said before. Quite rush. I never use swords when I play this on my main. So yeah. What was that? Oh no, I didn't do quests yet. Forgot to do quests. No, he's attacking me. This guy won't stop. So yeah. So let's see how far I can get in just like 7 minutes of recording. Let's see what level I'll be in the end of the recording. I'll go kill this guy, even though without the quest. I'll be a sword main, I don't need a fruit. I'll do roll a fruit, but I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna store the fruit that I will roll in the next video. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna kill this guy. Okay. We don't need fruit, we only need swords. I mean, if I get a Buddha fruit, maybe... Yeah, if I get a Buddha fruit, maybe I'll use it. So I can have, like a lot of defense. No. Wait, I don't have a fruit, I can swim. Why am I scared of falling in water? What Oh, I'm on to the next island now. Let me just kill this guy first. Come on. Okay, so I think that's it for today's video. So yeah, I'll go to the jungle in the next video. See you guys. Peace.